Knowing what you are entitled to under your insurance policy is important, especially to avoid surprises that may leave you out of pocket, like being subject to the average clause.
What that means is if your property is underinsured and you do not have it insured for the full replacement cost of the building and you have a partial loss, then you stand to be your own insurer for part of that loss. So if you have a claim, then you bear part of the cost of that claim. You're not going to get the full cost of your claim.
That's Commercial Services and Marketing Manager at Trident Insurance, Patty Carter. She says for the hurricane season in particular, the company seeks to educate the public about insurance.
We want to know that your house is adequately insured. Just in case there's a claim, you don't have to be subject to the average clause because nobody likes to hear about that. You want that when you have a claim, you're fully compensated. So this is the time to make sure that your property is adequately insured. Either get a valuer to value the property so that your sum insured is adequate.
Ms. Carter adds that nothing has been left to chance for the 2024 hurricane season, and social media has been added to their efforts to interact with the public.
So every time you see a notice from us, you will see, make sure your property is adequately insured. We do have Facebook and Instagram where we do a lot of posts, and for the hurricane season, you'll be tired of seeing us. Adequately insured, make sure to get your property insured. If it is not insured, insure your contents as well.
The insurance official also had advice to tenants.
We find that a lot of the times, if you are renting a property, you tend to say, well, it's not my house, so it doesn't make any sense me insuring it. But you have contents. You brought your contents, you have to insure those contents as well. Because if they are, let's say, lost in a fire, damaged in a hurricane, you want to be adequately compensated to be able to buy back those items that you have.
Trevor Thorpe for the Business Report.